we're going to replace the insert. So what you would do is there's one bolt that holds the bottom insert in, and you just use any Allen wrench. And that bolt comes right out. And that insert slides right out when you take that bolt out. And then the top insert is held in with 2 screws. And that's the top insert that comes right out. These inserts, this is the bottom insert, that's the top insert, they fit into the safety chuck like this. These inserts are not hardened typically. We can harden them if desired, but typically they're supplied as just common steel. The reason is, this is the wear point. Normally the journal ends of your air shaft, or if you have a through shaft like I showed you earlier, those journal ends are normally hardened so that they don't wear as fast as the inserts. The inserts are very easy to replace, so this is your wear item, this is your wear point. So if this was worn, the operator could easily take this apart, you go over to the shelf, you pull out two of these pieces new, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall them. So the top insert just slides right in. Bottom insert slides in. And that safety chuck is reassembled. So now you can take your rewind shaft, same rewind shaft, and it drops right into those safety chucks. So that's your roll of material. Your operator would then close and turn on the rewind stand, and away you go.